Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Valentine's Day. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this quick, easy, last minute makeup look and still cute. I know that not everyone has time to do a cut crease, smoky eye, halo eye makeup look, or maybe you don't know how to master those makeup looks. So today I'm bringing you this soft, ready to go makeup look, very easy to achieve. I used minimum products. I used minimum products because I didn't even use eyeshadows on my eyes, but I still put something in there. So I came up with a nice story. My imagination was like, wow, okay. You will see what I'm talking about in a few seconds, but first I'm going to shout out this subscriber of the day. Her name is Emily Price. Thank you so much, Emily, for your support. I really appreciate it. So she has a YouTube channel and you can subscribe to her channel because it's free, you know what I'm saying? I think you'll find her in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I created this quick, fast, last minute Valentine's Day makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's say that you had a very bad day at work, you arrived home, probably you had lunch and then you took a very long nap, and then your boyfriend or husband decides to go out to have dinner to celebrate Valentine's Day because you know it's kind of cute and romantic and he wants to take you out for a romantic date, dinner, you know what I'm saying? And you're not in the mood to go out or to get ready, but then you realize that if you don't go out to have dinner, you still have to cook the dinner. And you don't want to cook dinner on Valentine's Day, right? So, and finally you decide to get ready and go out to spend some quality time with your significant other and enjoy a beautiful romantic Valentine's Day dinner, but you realize that you only have like 2 hours to get ready, so you have to be very fast. And the hair is a mess. You don't want to wash the hair. So let's pretend that you are going to take a shower. We are going to deal with the hair a little bit later. And let's pretend it's cute already, okay? So first I'm going to do the face makeup because today I'm not going to do a crazy eyeshadow makeup look. I'm just going to focus mostly on the skin and lips. We want that radiant glowy skin and a beautiful red lipstick. You heard me right, a beautiful red lipstick because you know it's Valentine's Day. Okay, so let's get ready. I already moisturized my face and I'm going to go with the primer, and I'm going to use the Cover FX primer. I still don't know if I like this or not. I feel like my Benefit one is way more blurring. For foundation today I'm going to go with the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This has more like a matte finish, but it's not crazy matte because I do have dry skin and my skin doesn't work with crazy matte finish foundations. Anyway, I'm using the shade 21 Nude Beige, and because I'm going to focus mostly on the skin, I want a nice coverage, if that makes sense. I want a perfect canvas. So yeah, I'm going to 3 pumps. For concealer, I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer. I'm in the shade Nude, and as I said, this foundation has more like a matte finish and it doesn't need to be set with powder, but I'm going to set the concealer, also the forehead and my smile lines with powder. To set the concealer, I'm going to use my Hourglass Veil powder. To bronze my face, I'm going to use this Jouer light to medium duo bronzer, and I'm going to mix both colors. I don't like this. I already knew that I didn't like this. Anyway, I'm going to use my physician's formula because, you know, I love this so much. So forget about the Jouer Bronzer, okay? Next I'm going to take my sponge with the pointy side, and with whatever I have left on the sponge I'm going to clean a little bit this contour. I want to use like a pinky blush, but not too pink, more like peachy pinky blush. And I think I'm going to use this one from Beige Cosmetics. This is in the shade Caribbean Coral, and it has a little bit of peach, a little bit of peach and a little bit of pink, and I'm going to mix them both. Wow, I think that's too much. Okay, next I'm going to take a clean brush, this one for example, and I'm going to blend a little bit because I think I applied too much blush. Next I'm going to set my face with this Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray because I really want to see how much glow this will give me, so then I will know how much highlight I have to apply on my face because this is dewy. I'm not joking. I'm going to shake this very well and then I'm going to soak my face. And to highlight my face, I really want to use the Fenty Beauty one. This is in Hustla Baby, but I think I'm going to use a little bit of the Colourpop because I really like this. Oh, that's probably too much. And make sure you blend the highlight very well. If you have any highlight, any Super Shock highlight from Colourpop, they go so nice with the finger. They melt on your skin. They don't work very well with the brush because it has like a moussey formula. So yeah, it works better with the finger. As you can see, this is completely blended right now and my skin looks like it's wet, and I really like that finish. And because we want more glow, I'm going to go with the Hustla Baby from Fenty. I really like how tiny this is, so cute, and the highlight is so beautiful. So on my eyes, as I said, we don't have time to do a crazy bold eye makeup look, and I think I'm going to do a very thin wing liner, and probably I'm going to apply just a little bit of the Benefit Hoola bronzer to give like a definition in my crease. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to go with the Hoola bronzer and I'm going to apply a little bit there to define my crease. First, let's nude this concealer because as you see, I didn't set that concealer. So I'm going to focus this mostly on my outer V, outer corner, whatever you want to call this. Next, I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to apply this bronzer on my bottom lash line, but I'm going to focus this mostly on my outer corner. Okay, you know what? I think I'm going to take a little bit of this Milani Baked Bronzer and I'm going to apply this right here with my finger. And that's it for the eye makeup. I'm going to do the wing liner and I'm going to use this Renaissance Fleek, I forgot the name. This is from Makeup Revolution and it's so, honestly, it's so good. And let's hope I can make my wings even. Let's hope. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of this mascara because I'm going to apply falsies. You can totally skip wing liner and falsies. Next, I'm going to apply the Lavio lashes. I think they are in the style Barcelona. Also, I applied a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes, as you can see. And the final step to complete this makeup look, I'm going to apply a red lipstick, as I said in the beginning. And I'm going to use two red lipsticks. I'm going to use the I Love Sarai and Colourpop Ultra Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Arriba. And then I'm going to use this Beige Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Creasy. So I'm going to do more like an ombre effect lipstick, if that makes sense. And also I'm going to line my lips with this liner from Colourpop. This is in the shade Chichi. Chichi. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I'm using a matte lipstick because you're going to be out, you're going to be drinking, eating, so a matte lipstick will last way much longer than a normal lipstick, so that's why I'm using a matte lipstick. First, I'm going to go with the Arriba. This is more like a dark type of red, but it's still red. And in the center, I'm going to go with a more lighter shade. I'm going to apply just a little bit more of the first one. If you don't like a matte lipstick, you can totally apply a lip gloss on top, but it won't last that long, if that makes sense. I forgot to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners. You have to tell me, okay? You have to remind me. So I think I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty highlight. Okay, let's do the hair now. So first I'm going to brush my hair. Actually, I do really need to wash my hair like ASAP, but we don't have time. Remember, we don't have time. And I'm going to use this comb, and then I'm going to use this type of brush, comb, whatever, I don't know the names. And as I said, I'm going to do like a side part. I'm not good at doing hair, guys, okay? I'm going to make this very sleek. I'm going to do something very similar I had in my previous video. So I know in that video I had like a bun, but today I'm going to do the ponytail. Next I'm going to tie this into ponytail. And I think I want to make like a side. Yeah, let's try this. I'm going to bring this a little bit to the side. Let's try again. Okay, that's nice. Next I'm going to clip my ponytail. I got this on Amazon and it was like 10 euros. But the hair tangles like crazy. I mean, it's not good quality. It still looks like hair. I mean, it's not that shiny. So it's pretty nice, but as I said, this tangles like crazy. And it has like a little clip right here, and then this part wraps around and it has like Velcro. So I'm going to pin this right where I have my ponytail. And then I'm going to wrap this around the ponytail. Okay, next I'm going to take some bobby pins. I do have bobby pins, and I'm going to clip this part. Okay, I think it's pretty secure. You can totally do the bun. I mean, you just twist the ponytail and then wrap it around and then pin it. But I think today I want a ponytail. I don't know why. Next, I'm going to apply just a little bit of hairspray. This is the L'Oreal Elnet Satin. This is the normal one. And I'm going to... This smells so good. Next, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to smooth my hair. And there you have it, you guys. Very easy to achieve, very simple. And of course I got foundation on my blouse, but it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, as I said earlier, you don't have to do the wing liner or the lashes. You cannot go wrong with a glowy skin and a red lipstick. Am I right? So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun with your significant other. Happy Valentine's Day. Stay safe. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. My natural hair, it shows. I'm going to like kind of wrap it. Wow, it doesn't work. How about that hair? Jesus, it took me like forever. Hey guys, welcome back. What?